Okay, this is just a random live stream. I was doing, just testing some things out. Don't mind the private Firefox window. I just don't want to accidentally show my email again, like I did last time. And I had to delete that whole stream because if someone sees my personal email, then they're gonna say, "Oh, I'm gonna send him an email." Oh, people, am I right? What are you doing here? Okay, what were we working on? We were working on this. I was looking up something for kind of like a, well, you see what I'm working on here. Just something to tell people, hey, I'll be right back or whatever. And well, I was Googling around or ducking around, if you will, on DuckDuckGo. And I came upon this thing. I don't know where it is. Hello. Come on, Pinterest. Alright, what's the stream quality looking like? Oh, it looks good. Alright. YouTube thumbnail templates. Wow, Pinterest has a lot of nuts. Holy cow. There are a lot of things on here. But I was just looking for one of those little BRB type things, but you know. Oh, this is for those of you who are, for anyone who listens to this, welcome. I'm Richard Clark from Coding Fanatic, and here I teach new Android developers how to grow quickly, focusing on projects, learning the best ways to work with others, and committing to learning new skills. These are the pillars that I focused on to grow as a developer, and I'm taking what I've learned and passing it on to you. If that sounds like something you're interested in, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and join the mailing list at codingfanatic.com. You'll be the first to know when new content is uploaded each week. Now, this is just a little, honestly, this isn't like a formal live stream. That's why you see I'm just kind of like chilling. I got headphones on. I'm, not really, I don't look like I normally do because I was just on here testing out OBS and trying to get acclimated to the whole streaming thing. I got my notepad, my pencil, everything. I was taking my notes down so I can create a new system. So anytime I'm ready to live stream, I have everything lined up. For those of you who caught my last live stream way back when, I mean, I didn't really know much about OBS, but now I got it down pat. My favorite thing is that I've learned how to set up audio. So now, instead of having my music at a volume that's good for me, I learned to turn it down so that it's good for you. This way you can enjoy the sounds of Ethereal Universe Volume 9 without your eardrums being blown out. So there's that. Also, I learned how to prevent feedback loops by muting any input while I'm testing or trying to listen for things. So like, let's say I want to listen back to the audio of the live stream real quick, just to test something. I'll mute the laptop audio so that I can hear it, but you won't hear what I'm hearing. Because if you hear what I'm hearing, then that recording is going to go into the stream, and that's going to output into my headphones, which will go into the stream, and it's going to create a feedback loop. So yeah, I'm just here. I honestly was just trying to make the last thing I was going to do was make like a little we'll be right back type thing. But now I'm on Pinterest looking at these end card templates, and I'm like, damn, oh, these are pretty smart. I should have thought of something like this. Man, there's so many. So, whoa. Please don't show my email. Okay, good. It didn't show my email. All right. you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to go on Trello and I'm going to make a ticket. It tells me to come back and do this another time. What's that site called? Pinterest. Okay. Ah, spellings for losers. All right. Let's just look up. Hang on. What's that? See, this template is pretty good. I know this is for an end card, but I like that I like the way that it does the whole, oh, don't forget to comment woo woo and then the recommended video thing. And then when you're actually doing your when you're finishing your upload in the YouTube studio, you can just move, I guess, position the video. Oh yeah, all my fingers all on the webcam like an old person. The you can reposition the video within this square right here. Oh yeah, you can see what I see. Why am I pointing at the screen like you would know what I'm pointing at? Yeah, you can move the video right here and then you know, put your information right there with the subscription thing. Ooh, yeah, I might just make something like this. I might do that, but that's for another time. Matter of fact, let me move that card up in Trello so that I don't it doesn't end up lost in the sauce, if you will. I'm so glad you can get on Trello on mobile. I mean, it's great. Move to light position. Yeah, that's good. I'll get to it. All right, coolio. All right, let's just type in, yeah, we'll be right back in Pinterest and see what we got here. Hey, that's from Check It Out with Dr. Steve Brule. Yeah, that's perfect. Something like this. We'll be right back. Open. Technical difficulties, we'll be right back. That's another good one. That's cute. I like that. I feel like if you were artsy fartsy, you could pull that off. Make something like that. I'm not a graphic designer by any means, but I do have some basic skills. If you've been following me long enough, you know I'm nice with Microsoft Paint, man. You can't see me in Microsoft Paint. I don't play around, man. Shoot, everything that I make, I do that. It's all in Paint. All of it in Paint. Not because I'm cheap, just because I haven't made the effort to get the right software yet. But, you know, like I said, I'm not a graphic designer. I just need a few little loading images, background images, things like that. Look at this. This is pretty badass right here. That's a loading thing. I can make that right now. We'll be right back. Yeah, nah, we're not doing this. We're gonna I don't have to do that every single time. I could just turn off the laptop screen. There you go. I don't want you guys to see my save location because then people, you know what? Honestly, I don't see what the big deal is, but I'm just doing it because ever since the days of the PlayStation Portable, man, shout out to Sony for that one. But ever since the days of, like, I used to watch like PSP hacking videos and stuff like that, people would always like cover up their MAC address on their PSP, which doesn't make sense because it just is a unique address for your device. It doesn't matter if I can't get on your Wi-Fi, then it doesn't make a difference. But people would cover up their MAC address, and sometimes people would do tutorials and they would cover up the file path to whatever they're doing. I don't get it, but hey, I'm playing it safe, so here you go. What was I doing again? So hungry. Somebody whipping that thing down the street. Oh, I can't rename that. Can I rename it? I probably can't. Okay, this one would be... Okay. We're good. Okay, so we have... First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make this thing... We could do green. We could. Just delete it all. And open up this bucket tool, make it green. Doesn't even have to be that shade of green. We can choose any color. But I want to be consistent with like the colors for my logo. Okay. Math. That's so funny. Loading circle. Okay, and then we say something like no text tool, please. What's that gonna look like on a full screen? Maybe make it bigger than that. Okay, sure. It's not super fancy. We'll be right back. And then what kind of shapes do we have here? Okay, we can do there we go. Hold shift. Nah, delete that one. Kungai God. Let's open a new one. Try something here. And we'll do the same thing. Bucket tool. Same green. Make it. Whoops. Okay, so I want to make a loading image, right? Or I want to make an image that says like we'll be right back or something. But I'm gonna do from scratch. I'm just gonna make like an hourglass thing. So again, not a graphic designer. Nah, that's not gonna work. I needed to have what's that thing called? Fill color. So we're gonna use, let's use yellow. Why not? Okay, let's try again. The background will be green, so the inside will be green to show that it's empty in those parts. The parts that are filled will be black to show. Yeah, let's do black. Let's try black. Let's do black and black, and let's try it. So black is what's filling. This is gonna be the color of the. All right, you'll see. You'll see what I'm talking about. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so we're gonna draw one triangle, right? Let's say this is the bottom part of the hourglass. We wanted to show that the hourglass is filling up, right? So This is the bottom part. The filled part would be, let's say, up to like around this area, and then this part here up top would be empty. So if it's empty, then it has to be green, obviously, because the background is green. So what we're gonna do is we're going to make, oh, that was saliva. You ever like accidentally spit and a bubble comes out and it's like floating? All right, so we're going to, damn, I'm so very hungry. All right, we're gonna do green. Green means that's empty, so black with a black outline. So we can delete this. We're gonna do black, and we're gonna outline it. We're not, no fill, and we're just gonna do a black one. Okay. Hold shift. All right. That's the first one. Oh, I should just draw another one. Okay, copy paste. Oh, that doesn't work? Okay, well, what if I do this? Nope. Select, copy, paste. Okay. And we're gonna I wish there was like a rotate thing on here, but that doesn't exist because why not? So let's rotate it to the right by 180. So rotate 180, flip it upside down. Okay. Alright, so it looks like I have to be a bit more selective about my selecting here. I don't know, this is kind of lame. Oops. Maybe I should just draw another one instead of trying to cheat it. And this one will be, doesn't have to be the exact same size because we're not fancy. We're not graphic designers. We'll rotate this one 180 and go right yeso. Scene. Okay, so close. Damn, face is all up in the webcam. All right, close enough. All right, so we have our hourglass. We're going to fill in part of it. So we're gonna use the fill tool, and we're gonna fill both of them with black like this. And then we're going to use, oh, that doesn't work, does it? Shit. I didn't think this through. Yeah, this doesn't work because if I fill it all with black, then how am I gonna show? All right. Let's delete it all and try something different. I'm gonna draw one line. No. And then draw another line like this. And we're gonna draw another line. Like that. And another line like that. Oh man, why is it so crooked? Delete. Let's draw another line through it. A straight line. Hey, perfect. What will the eraser tool do? Okay, let's make the eraser a little bigger. A little, well, I guess this works. But I'd rather it be bigger. It'd be easier to erase stuff. I don't think you can make the eraser any bigger though. Oh my gosh. Alright. There we go. There we go. Not a graphic designer, so this does not have to be perfect. I'm sure someone out there watching this is like, man, this guy's dedicated, because you could have just done X, Y, Z. But hey, I don't know. If you don't know, you don't know. Not true. All right. So now what we can do is we can do a line like this. Better yet, nah, forget the line. I see a better tool right there. The curve tool. All right, let's see how this thing works. Can I just draw it any kind of way, or do I have to? What? This is weird. Wasn't there should be like a tool that lets you just kind of draw stuff. A pencil, why not? Sure, that works. All right, and we're gonna do like, nah, not like that. We're gonna just draw like, no. We want it to be kind of like, Jesus. All right, maybe I should zoom it in. That might help. All right, there we go. Damn, my face, yo, I'm going all the way like 94-year-old grandma face in the webcam right now. Oh my gosh. It's not even intentional. I'm trying to see what I'm doing. All right. Now we switch back to the eraser real quick. I should save this before I lose it. Whoa. All right. Oh no, I zoomed that in so I could erase some things. So now, where's my cursor? A little bit of that. Okay. And I guess we do the same thing up top too. Get that pencil back. And we're just gonna make sure there's no ugliness. All right. What color should I use though? That's the question. We can go with, I don't want to use yellow again. Let me see how this looks. This thing right here. Nah. That's not gonna work. Black? Oh, so let me explain what I just did. So, instead of trying to draw the shapes, I just did, I did the 2 X's and then the lines to make the shape of an hourglass, right? Now that the shape is there, I use the pencil tool to draw like a squiggly for like the stuff, the sand. And now because I've created like a filled shape, I can use the bucket tool to just fill it in with any color I want. So now my question is, which color should I use for this fancy, futuristic, super ballin' ass hourglass of mine? I could use black, but it won't look as good, I'm afraid. Maybe I should go with that ugly yellow color. I think that might work. Wait, that doesn't look right, because an hourglass wouldn't be shaped like that. Hang on. No, wait. Can I? Ah, damn it. All right, I'll redraw it again. I just realized my mistake. Okay. Forget what I just said. Because it wouldn't be stuck to the... Whoops. It would not be stuck to the top of the hourglass. It would be... Donaebatam. So we're just gonna go like... Nah. There we go. No. Try like... Dang, I wish I had one of those styluses. Let me see if I turn the DPI on my mouse, if that'll help. All right. too jagged at the end. Try it again. So now we move the mouse across, and by turning up the DPI, I make the sensor more sensitive, so it's easier for me to make this jagged line that I'm drawing. Okay. Now we go back to our bucket tool, or save. Go back to our bucket tool. Fill it in now. It's falling. Okay. And then we want some specks that are just kind of dropping. So rather than use the pencil tool, we're gonna use a brush. So you can see right here, right? You see I have the sand falling down at the bottom. This is a good color for the sand. I don't know about everything else, but whatever. And you see I have the sand that's like kind of falling in. Matter of fact, I can kind of shape that up a bit. Use the pencil tool all over again. And we can just turn that DPI back up. And change back to black. I think it's gonna have a black line right here though, as a result. So I'll have to undo a lot of stuff. Oh man, I did so well. All right, to be fair, since this is the color for the sand, then this should be the color of the line I use. It'll look better that way. All right, so the sand is going to fall kind of 1, 2, 3. All right, the sand's gonna kind of fall like down and create like a mini mountain. So we're gonna draw a little mini mountain within the bottom part of the sand of the hourglass. So it's gonna be like this. Nope. No, I wanted to kind of go towards the top of it. I'm really trying to draw like curvy sand. Man, good thing I went to school for software development and not art. Or graphic design, I should say, because I'm not very good at it. That's okay. Everyone's got the things that they're good at. And I'm okay with not being good at graphic design. Because you know what? I can learn. I'm learning right now. Bucket tool. The satisfaction. Okay. Now we just use the pencil tool. And we do the same thing. And here's the cool thing. If I want to touch this up, I can go like this. If I wanted to. Touch it up some. Go back to a bucket tool. Did that connect? It did not connect. Whoops. Alright. So I can go back to the pencil tool. Anytime. And I can just go boom, boom, boom. And go back to our bucket tool. Boom. There you go. Well, of course, that's ugly, so we're not going to use that. That was a test. Hell, you know what? I think I was doing a little too much earlier. I can just do that. Oh, God. The sand it's breaking. It broke. You know what? That's actually pretty good. That's pretty good. I shouldn't try to make it so wavy. Just like a few waves is good. So, like... It's sand after all. It's sand. Damn it, it didn't connect. So I should have pencil tool. Alright, we're gonna make the sand wavy. I didn't have it. Okay. Moment of truth. Oh, it didn't connect. Damn. Alright, try again. Pencil. Ooh, I can't penetrate the darkness of the border. I have to keep it within the confines. Maybe I should turn the DPI down then. That might make it a little easier. And do my wrist all the way over here. All right, let's try it again. There we go. Uh-huh. Come on. Show me the money. No. Ooh. Where is it not connected? Oh, the beginning wasn't connected. Damn. All right, let's try it again. Let's try it again. I'm going to get this, and then I'm going to go eat, because this is a trip. Yeah, I don't know why I had to. I was right about the DPI. I was using the wrong setting. So higher DPI will make it more sensitive, so you can get a more jagged look. I'm looking for a smoother look, so I lowered the DPI. Ah, like so. There you go. There's your sand. You want some sand? I got your sand, baby. I got your sand right here. All right. Now we're going to do a straight line, like so. I'm gonna do a yeah, like that, and I'll hold shift to make it straight, like this, and then we're going to use the eraser. Oh damn, I didn't think about that. Actually, I can't do that. The line would have to be inside of the hourglass, otherwise it doesn't work. So I might as well just do what I was doing before and use the pencil tool. DPI is at 1. All right. Let me zoom in. Nah, can't penetrate. Okay. What is that? Alright, we can use a... Okay, so you see right here, now watch this pro move right here. You don't know about this. So now we have the sand at the top, we have the sand at the bottom. Alright, but watch this pro move I'm about to do. You youngins don't know about this. Okay? You can't even Google something like this. You cannot Google this. They don't teach you this in university. Watch this. Brush? No. Pencil. Black. And we're literally just going 1 pixel at a time. Okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. But as you can see, we touched it up. And get this side too. Whoops. Undo. I think that's it. Yep. Okay. Save. Now we go to the brush. And we're gonna do the dripping sand. So we're just gonna do a couple of... No, not this. This one actually kind of sucks. Natural pencil. Let's try that. What? Bro, you can't even see that. Alright, try another one. Let's try brush. Brush is a little tiny though. Let's get a larger size here. There we go. Actually, okay, so this is pretty good. I think if we wanted to make this a little better, let's get some definition here. Make this, add another black line. Just make it a little darker. Oh, I can't make it straight. That's okay though. Okay, and anything that does not fit, you can use the eraser, make it as big as possible. Choose the background color, as you can see, and there you go. Yeah. Now the whole thing looks out of whack. All right, well then we'll add lines. Hey, we can do that. We can do that all. We can do that the whole night long, baby. Nah. Start right there. Add another one right here. All right, get another one. Oh, I don't know why I did all that when I could just do this. Oh, that's not gonna look as good. All right. I wish you could redo in Paint, but you can't. You can't redo. You didn't click redo. Click redo, man. For all my Keanu fans out there, if you know the movie I'm talking about, then you know. If you know, then you know. Check out Knock Knock on Netflix. If you're a film connoisseur, then it might not be for you. But if you like, you know, a good laugh, then I think you'll like it. You didn't add undo to Microsoft Paint. Did you add copy? Did you add paste? What about undo? Good, good. Did you add redo? You didn't add redo to Microsoft Paint? Go add redo to Microsoft Paint, man! Keanu Reeves. I wonder if he's watching this. I think Keanu Reeves would like this live stream. It's pretty chill. I see why people do this now, man. This is pretty cool. You just chill out in front of your computer and do stuff, and you can talk to yourself without looking like a maniac. It's, man, who wouldn't want to do this? This is pretty badass. All right, here's the moment of truth. I don't think it's gonna look good right here though, because we already had that corner pretty much done. Actually, does it matter? It does not. Whoa, no, we're not using that. You know what? In the words of the Necromancer from Borderlands 1, to hell with the first law. We're gonna do it anyway. It doesn't matter. Let's be badasses, y'all. Let's be badasses. Let's do it. Okay. I'm gonna draw another line right here. I don't care. I don't even care. Okay. Now we go from the set. Whoa. Let's get over some. I'm gonna go from. Let's make it a little thicker. If I had made it thicker in the first place, I wouldn't have to deal with all this. But it's okay. I just want the lines to look kind of, you know, even and whatnot. I guess that's good. This one looks a little skimpy. We're gonna add some more right here, some more weight. Here we go. Nothing crazy. I just want to make the lines a little bolder. That's all. I did that side already. I only have to start from there. Oh, well, nope. That's not going to work. That's not going to work either. I might just have to accept it as it is. Staring at this light. All right, you know what? Whatever. I think it's fine. Let's go back to the eraser tool, and we're gonna switch over to. Whoops, we're gonna switch to green, just to clean it up. I think it's fine. This is my first creation. I will make a better one day. I might remake this one. I just want to have one to just to have. Yes, it's boot. Oh, no, that doesn't work because they're right there. Oh, wait, no. I can clean it up. I can clean it up. I can clean it up. Let's zoom it in, baby. All the way. Oh, this live stream is going to be a cakewalk. I mean, if I'm having this much fun right now, and let's make the eraser smaller too, so that I can do a little surgery. What we got? Oh my god, this is gonna be so ugly looking. Oh man. Alright. To heck with it. This is like some 4th grader's drawing or something. But it looks like a sand glass, so I will take it. Okay. So now what we're gonna do. What happened to the? Oh, I already closed it. All right. Let's go to edit this. It should open. Yep. Excuse me. Okay, so now we have the image that we want to display the hourglass on. We open up. I can show this over here. Open up our hourglass. Right click it, go to copy. Actually, better idea. I have an even better idea. We're gonna edit that hourglass photo. I have a much better idea. This will make it way easier. Where am I? I can't even see. Let's choose something that lets me see. Okay, we're gonna go to select. We're gonna choose this. Copy. Close this out. Select. Pretty good, huh? Not bad. And if I want to, I can position this however. I wish there were lines. One of these days, I'm telling you. Okay, there we go. All right. Now, let's do something in OBS real quick. How do I stay stuck on this one? Dang, I wish you could like edit a source while you're using another source. I don't think you can do that though. Unless I can image, add existing, waiting screen. Let me see something. Alright, we're gonna add an image. Oh, okay. Don't make source visible. We're gonna add this waiting screen in here. Alright. Now I can go to properties. Browse. Come over here to this folder right here. Copy it. Paste it. Open. Unload image when not showing. Okay, I don't care. Alright. Now, behold the majesty! Okay, well, it looks like the image is not the size I'd like it to be. So what we're going to do we're going to stretch it over this canvas. Oh, I don't care if you see this because this is a hard drive I plugged in. So, haha, you can't see the file path unless you come to my house and steal my hard drive. Good luck, though. All right. So now we go back into OBS. Okay, people, anyone who's watching this live stream, behold the majesty of my loading screen. All right, well, this is good enough for me. So I'm gonna go make food. So thanks for everybody who is watching this. I know nobody's here right now, but you're here with me in spirit in the past slash future. For future for me, past for you. So I guess I'll see you guys on Monday. Yeah, like I said, go to hit if you like this, like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, join the mailing list at codingfanatic.com. You'll be the first to know when new content like this, or not like this, but my regular Android development content is available. So this is your host Richard signing out, and enjoy some music until I see you again. Peace. I have it set up for when I'm ready to actually do the live stream, and oh, I can remove this then. Everything is set up. Laptop audio, laptop screen, microphone, webcam, boom.